In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Composer in Hostinger and resolve common issues associated with it. If you've used Composer in Hostinger, you might have encountered some installation, permission, or memory issues, especially when dealing with different PHP versions. Let me guide you through some solutions to these common problems. First, it's essential to note that Composer 1, which is now deprecated, and Composer 2 are pre-installed in Hostinger's Web Premium, Web Business, and Cloud plans. However, if you're using PHP version 8.0 or higher, Composer 1 is no longer supported. You may receive an error message advising you to upgrade to Composer 2. To handle this, simply use the Composer2 command instead of the older Composer command. For example, if you need to install the Gumlet page image resize package, you would use Composer2 require Gumlet pub image resize. This command is interpreted to use version 2.0 if it's available. If you absolutely need Composer 1 for a specific command, you might have to lower your PHP version temporarily. Yet, to ensure security and compatibility, try to update your code to work with the latest PHP version whenever possible. Next, let's address the issue of permission errors that might come up when attempting to update Composer using global commands like Composer self-update. These actions often return a permission-denied error because Composer installations on Hostinger are managed and updated at the server level. To overcome this, install Composer locally for each project that requires it. By doing so, you become capable of managing updates independently. If you've installed Composer locally, you will find a new Composer.phar file in your path. For running any command afterward, including self-updates, use this format /composer.phar command like /composer.phar self-update to update locally. Now, what if you run into a memory exhausted error? This issue occurs when your project surpasses the memory limits available in your hosting plan. To counter this, try executing Composer with an unlimited memory flag. For a global Composer, the command format is php de memory limit but 1 usr local vis bin/composer command. If you're using a local Composer installation, use php de memory limit 1 composer.phar command. Should these steps prove unsuccessful, it might be an indication that upgrading your hosting plan is necessary. Alternatively, you could manage intensive commands on your local device and after that, upload the project to your hosting account. These steps should help you navigate and resolve the common Composer issues you might face in Hostinger. Always remember that maintaining your projects with compatible and updated software versions will protect and enhance the stability of your applications.